Hi everyone. So today I filmed a tutorial for this makeup look. I went extra glowy, very natural skin, didn't use a lot of foundation, some falsies, and yeah. This warm weather kind of inspired me. It's like 50 degrees outside, the sun is shining, so I can't wait for summer to get here. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, continue watching. I will link all my products down below in the description box, and thank you for everyone who has viewed my videos and subscribed, and yeah. So if you want to see how I did this look today, keep watching. So I always start out with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and then my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I direct this more towards my T-zone, my under eye, where I get really greasy and creased during the day. I then use my NYX CC cream. This is just a corrective green tone cream I use for my red spots around my nose. My cheeks get really red, my eyelids, and then the top of my forehead and my chin. I'll go in with my Hoola bronzer and my Iconic Illuminator. My bronzer I use just when I'm not feeling so tan in these winter months. And then I'll direct that towards my cheeks, my forehead, where I'm going to put my bronzer later on. The illuminator I use on the high points of my cheeks. I'll use that on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow, just to highlight those high points on the face. I then go in with my rose water again. It kind of just helps spread the product. I'll go in with a damp beauty blender, just really blend that in. Make sure it's nice and glowy, there's no spots left. It's just a really nice even complexion. I then use my Age Rewind concealer in Ivory. This is one of my favorite drugstore concealers right now. I feel like it just gives me really good coverage, helps me feel very awake. I'll apply this just under eye, forehead, bridge of nose, cupid's bow to highlight those high points, and then cover up all those dark circles under my eye. I then use just a brush with any leftover powder on it just to kind of set that concealer. This is just a CoverGirl Blackest Black Mascara. I put this on before I do my lashes. I've been using an Ardell Natural Lash lately, and I think I was listening to some Drake, just getting in the mood, you know. So the lashes I use are just an Ardell Natural Lash. I like the length and the more volume that it gives me. I just have super straight, not very many lashes, so it just makes your eye more open, and I've just been really loving these lashes lately. Here I am, I'm still dancing. So this is my Real Techniques Big Fluffy Brush, and this is a Too Faced Duo Bronzer and Highlighter. I have literally almost used this down to the pan. This is my absolutely all-time favorite bronzer highlighter combo. I just do that on my cheeks, my nose, jawline, and then my forehead. So this is my new brow pencil. I think it's a Maybelline Temptation brow pencil. So it gives a very natural look to your brow. I will link everything down below in the colors and shades I used. But it has a little spoolie on the end and it has a nice thick pencil. It makes your eyebrows look very natural. I've just kind of picked this up at Walgreens and really loved it. So this is my NYX Control Freak. It's an eyebrow setter. I used Anastasia in the past, and this is just a really good, inexpensive brow setter, and it does the same job. And yeah, been loving it. This is my Soap & Glory Extreme Plumping Lip Gloss. I'll put this on normally before I use lipstick or just if I want a gloss. It really plumps the lips and you start to feel a tingle. This is my Laura Geller Baked Blush in Maui. I'm not really a big blush fan. But I found this I got this in a Birchbox, I believe, and I've been using it recently and I really love it. So trying new things out lately and trying to use up some of the samples that I have. And then finally, last but not least, this is my Anastasia Glow Palette. I get a lot of compliments on my highlight. People are always asking what I use. This is like the first Anastasia palette. I can't find it in stores anymore. I haven't really checked online, but I'm almost down to the pan and it makes me really sad. I use this every day. Highlight, top of the cheekbones, bridge of nose, Cupid's bow, and then I also use this under brow and in the corner of my eyes just to help brighten a little bit. But yeah, I get so many compliments on this highlighter. One trick is I like to spray my rose water on right before I dust over the highlight, and it just gives you that like extra pop or extra glow. Other than that, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will hopefully be posting more, and yeah, so thanks guys.